Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well I've got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and use Backtrack on Bumble. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you would do is, first of all, go ahead, access your Bumble first, and let's see what is Backtrack. So Backtrack basically is a feature of Bumble Boost on Bumble Premium. If you are subscribed to use Backtrack, all you need to do is tap the arrow on the top left corner of your encounter screen. Once you have done the swipe left and right, each that access that enables that particular service to be done. So let's say we will first, you can see I do not have that arrow backtrack arrow yet. So let's say I'll swipe this person to my right, this person to my left each, and now I can see the Backtrack. It is for to undo what I have done. So if I tap on it, it asks for me to get me the, you can see, correct the mistake if you swiped left by accident, and one spotlight per week, be shown ahead of everyone else for 30 minutes. Your profile, let someone know you really like them. Swipe right on as many people as you like, unlimited likes, give your match more time to message, a second chance to connect with expired matches. These are the services it provides, including the Backtrack. You have to get premium for that. Go ahead, choose a one, do it, take it, get months of pay for it. You can go to Boost, you can get the premium one as well, and then finally you will be able to use a Backtrack. Just you gotta tap on it, it will be done. First of all, take the package. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.